friends, I just want to give you a little update on my Rose Cottage Retreat quilt. I am almost finished with it. I'm in the home stretch. I still have one seam to sew together here, but I really want to just give you an update on where I'm at and get some borders on it. So I need to go shopping.
What a surprise. Marnae's got to go shopping? So what do you got to pick up?
I really need to get some of this orange peach fabric because I want to do an inner border of a 1 inch.
I see 2 shelves full of orange fabric right now.
No, it has to be Kimberbell. It has to be this
it has to be
color.
that exact
Yeah,
fabric.
it has to be that.
Okay.
Because this quilt is beautiful. It is filled with Tilda fabrics and Kimberbell fabrics. And the background is Tilda fabric.
How many of these pinwheels are there?
Oh my God.
5, 10, 15, 20,
a lot.
25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75 pinwheels.
75 pinwheels. And you know, these pinwheels, they were made with 2 blocks, and then you sewed it down, or no, you drew a line down the middle and you sewed on each side. And then you cut it in half, and you got 2 half square triangles out of each one of them. And then you gotta trim them, and you gotta sew, or yeah, you get 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. I have to count. You get 4 pieces out of that. So they really took some time. I mean, they kicked my butt. And I finally, the last couple nights I'd gotten out here, and I'm like, I really worked on them to get this done. And then of course I got the first 3 rows sewed together and the second 3 rows together, and now I've just got to get it sewed together in the middle. But I'm just like, and it's been so busy this week too.
Is this a keeper?
This is mine, yes.
Oh, this is
and
a
look,
keeper.
I put this little tag on here. Like I got a bunch of these, like you would put on the back of your quilts. Yeah,
I like that.
It says snuggle often. This is my quilt. This is a girly quilt. I just love it.
So you're going to do a border in this?
Yes.
And just one border? Or
I want to do
a
1 inch border of the orange on this, and then I would like to do maybe some kind of a soft pink that would match my polka dots. I don't have enough of this for an extra border either, so I think I want a pink salad. I want the peach color, maybe a pink salad, and then maybe a some kind of a print around it, but I haven't found it yet, so I really need to go looking for a nice border for this, and I need to look for a back.
I happen to know there's some quilt shops open today.
I think they close at 2 o'clock, so I might be heading up to my nearest hometown quilt shop, which would be the So What Fabric Shop in Addison, New York. You can find them online.
I'll put a link in the description.
Awesome. So,
So 1 seam left, and you said 2, maybe 3 borders, and this will be done?
Yeah.
This has been on your wall a while.
Not as long as the Holly Hobby one.
Well, that's true.
But this one is a beauty.
Although my mom, hold on. Now, Mom did the same quilt pattern as she did, and Mom finished hers like 2 weeks ago.
Oh yeah, she finished it in like days. She told me not to start mine before she did hers.
Yeah, she was worried.
And then she got hers started, and she just blew through it. You know, or me, I've got too much going on in here, so I can't blow through it like she does. But I do love it, and I took my time with it, and I really like that all my points show on my stars. My pinwheels all look good, and I can actually say I didn't make any mistakes on this quilt. I didn't have to tear anything out, except for the piece top on the house. You
messed up now.
Oh, I know. Well,
boy, you're going to be ripping borders out.
No, please don't say that. I messed up a little bit on the house, but I got it because that was paper piecing, and I'm still a little new to it because it's like backwards sewing.
You don't do much paper piecing.
Well, I want to learn, but it's just, you know, it's tedious. Kind of, it's backwards, and you have to kind of get your brain wrapped around it to do it right. But it can be fun. I want to play with that some more. But yeah, this is just
all right. Well,
awesome.
You keep going. I got stuff to do. Give me a kiss. I love you.
All right, thank you. All right, y'all. So this is where I'm at. I'm gonna go shopping. So next time you see this baby, hopefully she'll be done and ready for the quilter. Thanks for watching. I will chat at you later. Please like and subscribe. Love y'all. Bye.